Ontel Magic Tracks Mega Set 2 LED race cars and 18-foot in-depth reviews. This product has 4.5 stars based on 1399 ratings and 318 reviews. 85% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 8% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said hours of entertainment. My 7-year-old son played with this for hours for a few months. Great toy and everything worked fine. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Do not recommend if you have a dog or cat. The cars for this toy are awful at collecting pet hair and getting caught up in the wheels. After less than a day, I think we will need new cars, as we have had to take them apart several times already to remedy them. We are hoping off-brand cars might be better. That's it.
Are you ready to race?
Put the pedal to the metal and zoom around the track. Bend it, flex it, curve it to the max. Magic Tracks!
That's right, it's Magic Tracks, the amazing new racetrack that can bend, flex, and glow as the cars go, go, go! It's easy. Just snap any track pieces together, and in seconds you've got a customized speedway to zip down and whip around. Turn off the lights. Wow! The track's neon colors shine super bright. And look, the race cars have 5 LED lights that keep the track glowing as it keeps going. But here's the best part. As you race, you can change the design of your track into any shape or pattern, so you'll never have the same race twice. The Magic Serpentine technology that allows Magic Tracks to bend, flex, and curve in any direction. No more straight or stiff tracks. Go ahead, disconnect, and quickly snap back around furniture or under the bed. Create your own colored track patterns, high bank turns, or mountainous bridges. Even this hamster wheel.
Bend it, flex it, curve it to the max. Magic Tracks!
Magic Tracks roll up for storage. Place it inside the travel pouch and take it with you anywhere.
Magic Tracks!
That's right, it's Magic Tracks.
I think mine helps this car push. I know this car can make it. Ah,
Why'd you do that?
so it can go up.
It would have made it on its own and didn't need you to push it off.
See?
See, you gotta wreck it every time, eh, Meadow? It's okay, though.
Now this car has some of steering wheel.
No, just skip the bridge.
This?
Yeah, skip it.
Maybe it won't do so with the car. I'll try this other car that will. Is this the one or no?
Yeah, well, it wouldn't make it over the bridge. I had to fix it.
Maybe my clothes will help?
What?
Maybe my tools will help?
No, they won't.
Maybe this will work if we put a nail in it. But probably not. It's like going slow. Very, very slow.
Yeah, it's not gonna make it.
I hope so.
The batteries are too dead. See? Stuck in the tower.
You know what now? We should put some palm trees up. Beautiful. And now the people inside can see some pretty trees, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
All right, we got it going.
Hey, sir, you're under arrest. I said. Coming for you. Yeah.
Ooh, they almost hit on the crisscross. Uh-oh, we got an accident. Calling all officers.